Meta stock has lost around 27% after, rather since printing this all-time high of around $737.64. In this pre-market session of today, the 31st of March, it is currently down 1.7%. And I think the reason why it is down is also it largely broad because of the broad market sell-off, concerning the tariffs and all that, So, but at the same time as well, I want to believe that the fact that they're also planning to purchase 2,700 acres in Holly Ridge, Louisiana, for a $10 billion data center project covering 4 million square feet, likely boosting local energy demand. The fact that this news is out there, wouldn't go down well with a lot of investors, because very well investors have been saying for some time now that there's a lot of investment going into AI at the moment, and also especially with the fact that DeepSeek came out with its own large language model, and that model it's a distillation of Meta's llama, so we can see that some investors will not be very, exactly there. This will not be exactly very much impressed with, with this news that they are investing more to build data centers, But they will argue that there's a need for more. There's a need to build more, and they are saying here that it is to that data center will be used to train another version of Llama. I want to believe. Yeah, let's see now. Yeah, it says it's somewhere down here. Okay, let's see. Okay, he said the site will be used to train future versions of Llama. Yes, Meta's collection of open source AI models. Okay, yeah. So that's what we're looking at right now. Currently down 1.7% in this pre-market session. So as things stand right now, we have seen that it's getting support from its 10, 200 day moving average. So the underlying trend is still a bullish one. So if we have a look here, we can see what's going on. We have some data concerning it. We have an upper projection here of $670, and then we have down here a couple of indications. We have the price pressure momentum. This indicator here, all of them are negative, implying that in a very short term, that weakness is still going to be in place. So there's every chance that it's going to fall below this 200-day moving average. So, but if we can have a look and see what the other indicators are saying. Okay, let's have a look at the ppm2. All of them are equally negative. The ppm2 is negative, and the derivatives are equally negative, validating what I pointed out earlier on, that weakness is likely to continue. So let's have a look at the other one, the second indicator, ppm3. Let's see what's going to say. So in the short term, weakness is expected to remain strong, remain in place. Okay, so with this ppm3, we have ppm3 is negative, and the first derivative is negative, but the second one is positive, indicating that in the medium term, that the deceleration of momentum there will be a deceleration in weakness. There'll be a deceleration in weakness. So the deceleration will still be in place in the short term, but it will be moderating. That's what we are reading here with this positive value. So a moderation of deceleration. So let's see now. So let's have a look at the ppm 200. Okay, so yeah, so the ppm 200, all of them are the ppm 200 is positive. All the derivatives are positive. This is indicating that they're still on the in the long term. The strength is still very much there. So there's underlying strength in the stock, but in the very short term there isn't any. So we have to expect weakness to remain in place for Meta stock. So even though we have this upper projection of $670, we could still try and project what we could possibly see in the coming days. We have 627, and we have 627 and 576. Let's see, 627 minus 576. Okay, yeah, applied by 1.618. Add that to the current price of 56695. So we have upper projection of 649. 649, that's one. And 700. So 700 and 649 and $700. Those are the projections we have for Meta. So yeah, see what you make of Meta stock. Down currently 1.7% in this pre-market session of today, the 31st of March. And thank you very much for watching this video.